Assalamu alaikum. So today I will discuss chapter number 5, same like last lecture. Okay, same like. Oh, I'm sorry, I forget. Today I will upload after lecture. Inshallah, I will upload. Abdul Wahid. Yes, yes. After Muhadara, inshallah, I will upload. Right. Chapter number 5. Okay. So let me start from here. See this. Last lecture I discussed this formula, this rule, binomial coefficient. Okay. Last lecture I discussed this binomial coefficient, right? So you know this. Uh, Last lecture I told you binomial coefficient. This rule, this symbol NR. This means n combination R. N combination R is equal to n factorial and divided by n minus R factorial. This one, and here multiply R factorial here. Okay. Last lecture I explained this. This is the rule. Okay. And last lecture I explained this question. See this example. This example. 6 4 6 combination 4 equal to, using this kanun same, and this last lecture I told you this 15. Right? Here is the kanun. N R equal to this. And you read this way. Read this way. N combination R. N combination R. Okay. So do you remember this? Last lecture I explained. Okay. So today I will explain this point, binomial coefficients, and this is called binomial coefficient. See here, this is called binomial coefficients, right? So today I will discuss this binomial coefficients and Pascal's triangle. Pascal's triangle. Okay. So see this, the number NR, n combination R, are called the binomial coefficients. Binomial coefficients as, see this kanun, a plus b power n yusawi hada. A plus b power n yusawi summation k start from 0 to n, and then this n combination R, n combination k, here a power n minus k, and here b power k. So let me write here this rule. So here, remember this, a plus b, if this a plus b, if here मौजूद n, right? N is positive integer. N is positive mojab integer. A plus b power n equal to this. You can write this way. This summation k start from 0. See, and here मौजूद n. N यानी hada n. This n. Okay. And here come n combination k. So this way, n combination k, and here a power n nakis k. Okay, and dar bhina b power k. Hada kanun. See this. So if you take this n yusawi sifar, n yusawi wahid, n yusawi 2, n yusawi 3, n yusawi 4, n yusawi 5, then you will get this way. Here maujood hada kullu. See this. A plus b power sifar. If you take here, first you say take n yusawi sifar, then what will happen? A plus b, n yusawi sifar yani hina sifar, is equal to come. This summation k start from 0, and here n yusawi 0 here, right? And then this n come, n you have taken 0, and here k, right? And here a power n you have taken 0, 0 minus k, and here b power k. So come easy here. See this. First you take this number k. This number k start from zifar here. So here whole term n मौजूद सिफर, no problem. Here k इसावी सिफर. So you start from सिफर. K इसावी सिफर. So k सिफर हिना, right? And here n सिफर all the time here, and k start from सिफर whole term, and here b power सिफर. Okay. So how that come? You tell me. So सिफर सिफर. Okay. बस वाहिद टर्म हिना सिफर सिफर. So सिफर, this means what? If सिफर सिफर, I told you last lecture, if सिफर सिफर, this will be 1. This is 1. Okay. And a power सिफर come, a power सिफर यानी 1, and the power b power सिफर यानी 1. So this equal to 1, right? So this a plus b power सिफर इसावी वाहिद. वाहिद. See this here written. वाहिद. Okay. And now use this kanun, find this a plus b power wahid, right? So see this one, a plus b power wahid, yani n yusavi wahid here. So n yusavi wahid. So what is kanun? Kanun this, k start from sifar, and going to n hina wahid, going to 1, and here maujood n yusavi wahid, and then k, and then here a power n yusavi wahid, n minus k, and then b power come k. Okay. Just remember here, I have taken n yusavi 1. Okay. So this equal to what? Open this. Start from k sifar. K sifar yani here, n wahid maujood and k hina sifar. Okay. And then a power wahid salib k yusavi sifar, and b power come sifar, and baden zayed. Okay. K from sifar to wahid. K from sifar to wahid. So this time zayed, and this symbol yani zayed, this symbol yani summation yani baden hada zayed. Okay. Then start k yusawi wahid. Awal k yusawi hina sifar, kullo k tabdil sifar, hina sifar خلاص, and baden zayed. Seal k yusawi wahid दहन, k yusawi wahid. n hina maujood, 1 here maujood, and hada k yusawi wahid here, wahid. Okay. This one, and a power come, n wahid maujood and k seal wahid. Okay, and the b power wahid hada. Now check this, hada come is equal to, look over here, hada come in a wahid sifar, this symbol come here, 1 factorial ala 1 salib sifar, hada factorial, and the hada sifar factorial. This is kanun. Hada kanun, 1 combination sifar, and here come a power wahid salib sifar yani a power wahid yani a, and the hina b power sifar yani wahid, and plus hada come wahid. Last lecture I told you, if hada and hada same, then come hada wahid. Okay. And here a power wahid salib wahid come a power sifar, and a power sifar yani wahid, and the hina come b power wahid yani b, this one, right? So this equal to come, see this, 1 factorial yani wahid, and wahid salib sifar wahid, and wahid factorial yani wahid, and factorial sifar yani wahid. So hada kullu wahid. Okay. And hina maujood a dar wahid yani wahid, a dar wahid yani a, and plus hada wahid dar wahid, and wahid dar b yani b. So hada come wahid dar a yani a, so a and zayed b, hada is the a zayed b. Okay. So a plus b power 1, this one, this is a. So you can use this kanun, right? And also, if you write here alatul, if you write here a plus b power sifar, if you don't use this kanun, if you Mafi use this kanun, if you don't use this kanun, if you write here a plus b power sifar, so any number power sifar is what? Any number power sifar is 1 alatul here. And here a plus b power wahid, a plus b power wahid yani a plus b, alatul a plus b. No need this, no need this. A plus b power wahid yani a plus b, you know this. A plus b power wahid yani a plus b, hada a plus b. Okay, so no need this. So here look, by using this a plus b is hina, a plus b power wahid is a plus b hada. Okay, and then same way seal n is 2 n a plus b tarbiya, a plus b tarbiya using this kanun is hada a tarbiya zaid 2ab plus b square, and hada a plus b power talata, if you seal hina talata n is talata, then is hada. Okay, and if you take a plus b power 4, so is hada by using the kanun, folk kanun. Okay, and if a plus b power khamsa using this, then is hada, right? Badan Shufina, what is the Pascal triangle? What is the Pascal triangle? See, here Mawjud Wahid. So Wahid uktub here. Plus, and Badan Shuf, hina A plus B, hina coefficient Wahid, and hina coefficient Wahid. Wahid Wahid. Can you see this? Look over here. Hina coefficient come here, Wahid, and hina coefficient Wahid. Wahid Wahid. So this uktub here Wahid, and uktub here Wahid. Now come over here. Hina coefficient come, hina Wahid, and hina come Itnain, and hina Wahid. Wahid Itnain Wahid. So hina uktub Wahid, hina Itnain, and hina Wahid. Okay. Now come this a plus b power 3. Hina come coefficient Wahid, and hina mawjud talata. Hina mawjud talata, and hina mawjud Wahid. Wahid talata talata Wahid. So here uktub this way Wahid talata talata Wahid. And come over here a plus b power, hina mawjud Wahid, hina arba, hina sitta, hada arba, and hada wahid. These are called coefficients. Okay, and these are the same coefficients here. These are the same coefficients, binomial coefficients you will get here, right? So 1, 4, 6, 4, and 1. Octave here 1, 4, 6, 4. Now come to this. Here a plus b power 5. Hina mawjud coefficient, other coefficient 1, other coefficient 5. Hina ashara, hina khamsa, and hina wahid. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. So here 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Octave this way. So now look, if you octave this way, all the coefficients, binomial coefficients, you will get this structure, and this is same like triangle, like this. If you connect this one, if you connect this one, if you connect this one, this looks like triangle. Okay, this looks like triangle, and this triangle is called Pascal triangle. Okay, so you have to find a plus b power 0, a plus b power wahid, a plus b tarbiya, and seal baden kullu coefficients, hada coefficients here, and arrange like this. So this is called Pascal triangle. Okay, if you write direct value, how will you write direct value? If here मौजूद a plus 5, a plus b power 5, أنت मालूम هذا على طول، هذا معلوم أنت على طول. You have to use this a plus b power 5, a plus b power 6. Then you have to use this कानून मौजूद है, هذا general, هذا कानून आम here, هذا general. Here n n seal any number positive mojab. If a plus b power n, if n here ashara, okay, then put here up to ashara. Is k start from sifar to ashara, and put the pull out term. Then you will get the coefficients, all coefficients, and then arrange. Then you will get the Pascal triangle. Okay, right? Okay, now come to the next point. So this is this is called Pascal triangle. No more discussion here. Come to this point. This is important. Permutation. Come to this point here. See this permutations. Any arrangement of a set of n objects in a given order is called a permutation of the objects taken all at one time. Okay. Suppose permutation means what? Permutation yani tartib. If you have this n, kullo n objects, then how to arrange? How to arrange these n objects and taking kullo together? If there are, suppose there are 10 students, 10 students, Ashra Talib in the class, then you have to sit in the class. Then how to sit? What is tartib? How many ways you can sit in the class? Ashra students, total Ashra, and kullo together want to sit. How many tartib? How to arrange these students in the class? How many ways? Okay, so that is called permutations. If any arrangement yani tartib of a set of n objects, kullo n objects in a given order, in a given order yani sequence, is called permutation of objects. Okay, taken all at one time. Okay, so how to arrange n objects, total n objects, how to arrange in a given order are called permutation. So permutation yani tartib. Okay, just remember. So see the formula. Number of permutations yani number of ways, number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by this PNR. PNR. Okay. So suppose if total objects मौजूद n, and you take total मौजूद n and take r and तरतीब arrange. So how to arrange? How many ways? Total number of permutations of n objects taken r at a time is denoted by this PNR, Ada Kanun, and this defined by PNR. Permutation yani denote this P. Permutation yani P. PNR isawi this Kanun. Factorial n ala n nakis r factorial. Ada Kanun. Here, this R all the time, Asgar Yusawi mean N. Asgar Yusawi mean N. Okay? So now see the example. So total object N, and you take R objects and arrange. Tartib. See this example, it will be clear. This example. Find the number of permutation of 6 objects. 6. Kam kullo 6 object and taken talata at a time. Taken talata at a time. So here n yusawi come. Here n yusawi 6 and taken r. Taken talata at a time. Yani r yusawi talata. This one. So you have to find the number of permutations, and you know this number of permutations here मौजूद कानून हाँ number of permutation यानी PNR यानी see the answer number of permutations yusawi P PNR. So n sitta and r talata here. Okay, and hada kanun. Here kanun, see this. N factorial ala n nakis r factorial hada. So hina sitta and hina kam sitta nakis talata yani talata factorial. This one, right? Then start this factorial 6. كيف اكتب factorial 6 ستة ضرب خمسة ضرب أربعة and stop here ثلاثة. So ثلاثة seal factorial because هنا تحت موجود ثلاثة. So هنا stop فوق ثلاثة stop فوق ثلاثة. So seal ثلاثة factorial. Last lecture I told you. Okay. So this ثلاثة factorial and this ثلاثة factorial cancel. कम बागी ستة ضرب خمسة ضرب أربعة. Sitta darb khamsa darb arba and this equal to 120. Okay. So if there are total six elements, 6 objects, and you seal talata together and tartib arrange. So kam kullu ways? How many ways? Kam number of permutations? 120. 120. Okay. So this way. So let me write here. So see this rule. If there are n object, okay, and you're taking r together. So number of permutations. How to write number of permutations? This is rule. Number of permutations equal to permutations yani tartib. You will write p and here n and here r, p and r, and this equal to, this is the kanun, n factorial and divided by n minus r, this factorial, other kanun. Okay. So in the previous question, n equal to 6 and r equal to 3. Take n r together. Total n and seal r together. Okay. Then the number of permutations are number of ways. How many ways you can arrange the T. Okay. N objects. If you take r together, right? So this is the rule you have to remember. This is Kanun. Okay. Now come to the next point, and then I will take more questions. Come to the next. This is called permutations with repetitions. Okay. So the number of permutations of n, total n object. Okay. Of which n1 are alike, n2 are alike, n are alike. Okay. So kullu n, in which n1 objects same, maafi mukhtalif, n1 same, n2 same, and n are same. Okay. Then how to write permutations? And remember this total n here, total n. So you will write permutation this way: Pn here n1, n2 up to nr. Here factorial n. Here factorial n1. There factorial n2. There factorial nr. Okay. So this is called repetitions. You can see here what is the meaning. You will understand here. See this. See this question. How many 7-letter words can be formed using the letters of the word benzene? You know benzene. So hina come in the benzene come kullu words. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Kullu come total letter 7 yani hada n, total 7 yani hada n is 7, right? Now look here. So e hina, e repeated, e come times hada e, so e talata marrat is e hina, e hina and e hina, e talata marrat is repeated 3 times. Repetitions here, repetitions are this is called repetitions yani 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, this is called this repetitions hada repetitions. Okay, so e is talata marrat repeated 3 times. So e come times repeated 3 times. And baden shuf n come times is 1 and 2, 2 times is n. So this n is 2 times itne marrat. Okay, then how to write? And bagi kullo one wahid time. So no matter there, no problem there. Only shuf repetitions. E repeated talata marrat and n repeated itnain marrat, 2 times. Okay, so write here permutation and total n yani saba. So start from here permutation. P total saba and hina uktub repeated. E repeated talata times yani repeated here talata and n repeated 2 times yani 2 uktub hina. Okay, so here what hada factorial n, so hina hada factorial n yani kullo factorial saba hina यानी n and n yusawi 7 kullo 7 and तहत का मीजी तहत repeated only repeated फकत repeated n1 यानी repeated so talata n repeated 3 times so hina 3 factorial and baden hina and baden repeated 2 times n repeated 2 times so 2 this 2 is hina factorial 2 darb factorial 2 and baden hal ada. Okay, so if repeated तहत उक्तुब फकत repeated number and kullu darb factor repeated 3 factorial darb 2 factorial and 4 uktub hina n factorial n yani factorial 7. Okay, and baden hal hada. So how to solve this? So तहत मौजूद hina 3 factorial hina मौजूद 3 factorial so uktub this factorial 7 कैफ uktub factorial 7 7 darb 6 darb 5 darb 4 and darb talata stop hina talata stop hina talata then seal hina factorial. Why? Because hina talata tahat mawjood talata factorial, so if hina stop talata factorial then this will cancel. That's what here. So if you stop here then seal hina factorial, so talata factorial and talata factorial tahat cancel. So fog kam bagi 7 darb 6 darb 5 darb 4 hada bagi and तहत कम हिना मौजूद factorial 2 यानी 2 darb 1 so easy hina 2. Okay, and now तकसीम hada 7 darb 6 darb 5 darb 4 and divided by 2 hada kam easy 420. Okay, so from this letter benzene how many permutations yani how many tartib you can, if you change the letters so you can make with 420. So number of permutations are 420. Okay, so just you remember here, let me write here again. See this, so just be careful. If here total n, total object n, okay, and you taking together hina maafi repeated hina kullu mukhtalif total n yani kullu mukhtalif. So number of permutations how to write? P n r equal to factorial n and divided by n minus r factorial. Okay, in a total n and taken together r Then how to write permutation? P and R equal to this. And here Mafi repetition, Mafi repeated. Just remember, Mafi repeated here. And if you take here number 2, if here sum repeated, suppose total n, okay, and this n1, n1 same repeated, this n2 same repeated. Same way here, how the n are same repeated, okay, how the same, n1 same, n2 same, and this n are same repeated. Then you will write permutation like that: p n, and here n1, n2 up to nr. This equal to n factorial, total n, and hina uktu repeated, fakat repeated, n1 factorial and बाद अंदर n2 factorial and बाद अंदर दर here n factorial. So this way. So hina repeated, hada repeated, hada repeated, and hada repeated. So repeated uktu this way: n1 factorial darb n2 factorial darb nr factorial. Okay, but hina mafi repeated, hina mafi repeated, hina mukhtalif, total n and kullu mukhtalif. Okay, so you will write this way. So be careful about that. Now come to the questions. Come to the questions here. See the questions. See this question. Example: find the number of distinct permutations that can be formed from all letters of each word. See this, from this letter, radar, and here some repeated. Be careful, radar, see the radar. So total number in radar, let me write here. If word is this radar, R-A-D-A-R, radar. Okay, so now look here, total numbers yani n, total numbers का 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, total 5. Sir, now look, see this R, one time here and one time here. So R repeated 2 times, R repeated sometimes, R repeated 2 times. After that, Sufada, A here and A here. A repeated sometimes, A repeated 2 times. Okay, and Bagi, not D Mafi repeated, D only 1 time. So how to write permutation? Number of permutation P, N yani 5 here, and Hina repeated, 2 repeated, Hada and Hada, 2 repeated, here 2. Okay, and how to write this? Here factorial 5, and Tahat Kullu repeated, Dar, so repeated Hada and repeated Hada. Okay, so 2 factorial and Dar 2 factorial, and this equal to come. Tell me, Hada come. Tahat is 2 factorial yani 2 dar 1, and dar 2 factorial yani 2 dar 1, and 4 come is 5 dar 4 dar 3 dar 2 and dar 1. Multiply kullo. Okay, so this will be here. Look, 5 and dar 4 come 20, and 20 dar 3 60. Okay, and 60 dar 2 120, and 120 dar 1 yani 120, so 4 120, and tahat come 2 dar 1 yani 2, 2 dar 1 yani 2, and 2 dar 2 yani 4. Okay, so this equal to what? Hada 30. So this is the permutation. Okay, so number of permutation for the word radar, for the word this radar. Okay, so be careful, if you take radar here repeated, use kanun repeated, because A repeated, R repeated, so use this kanun. Repeated yani you have to be careful. Repeated yani you have to use this card all the time. Okay. And if mukhtalif, mafi repeated, then use this. Mafi repeated, then use this. If there are sitta objects are taking together, sitta object kullu mukhtalif, then use this. And if this type of word here and some words repeated, then use this. Be careful, right? Yes, yes. How can I know? If you have this, radar, if you have radar, and question is this, find the permutation of this radar. So you can see here A is 2 times, itnen marra, that is repeated. And R is what? R 2 times, yani repeated. Do you understand or not? Who asked this question? Abdul Wahid. Understand or not? Yes. Now come to the next question. See this here. Next is unusual. Number B is unusual. See this. This is repeated or not? Here you repeated. You can see this. You repeated here. Sometimes 3 times. So number B is here. See, look over here. See number B. Unusual. So total, come kullo, count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 letter. Total letter 7. Total 7 yani this is N. Right? And Badan Suf you. You repeated Talata Marrat 3. And Bagi Kullo Wahid, no problem. So write this. P total 7. Sabah and Talata repeated. Okay? So factorial and Talata repeated yani Tehat Talata factorial this way. Okay, and Baden Hal. In a Tehet Mojud Talata factorial. So open this. Sabah factorial yani 7, Darb 6, Darb 5, Darb 4. And stop hina Talata. So stop hina, so seal hina fakat factorial. Because in a Tehet Mojud Talata factorial, then so stop here. Talata factorial, then this cancel. Right? And Bagi 7, Darb 6, Darb 5, Darb 4. This will become 840. This way. Right? Clear? Okay. Now see this one. Number C. Here mojood word Mississippi. Okay. Then take this. Here Mississippi. How many letters? Count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Total 11. Total letters. This is N. Sir, now repeated. See this I. I repeated Arba Marra 4 times. Okay. And S repeated 4 times Arba Marra. And P repeated 2 times. Okay. So Uktub this way. P total 11. Total Hina 11 and repeated here. 4 repeated, 4 repeated, and 4 repeated. 2 repeated. Okay. So 11 factorial here. Here repeated 4 factorial, there 4 factorial, there 2 factorial. This way. And Baden Hal Hada. Kullo open. 11 factorial open. 11, there 10, there 9, there 8, there 7, there 6, there 5. Here 4. You see 4 factorial. Why? Because Tehat Mojud 4 factorial. So Hada 4 factorial. So this cancel. Right? And Hada 4 factorial. Tani 4 factorial means 4 there 3 there 2 there 1 up to here. And here 2 factorial means 2 there 1 here. And Badan Kullo Taksim. Fog there. Fog Bagi Hada. Fog up to here Bagi. Hada Kullo there. And Hada Kullo there. And Badan Taksim. You will get this. 34650 Hada. So this is the number of total permutation. Okay. Right? So this way you will find the permutation. Okay. Right. Okay. So any question? So one question for you. One question for you. Next lecture, find the permutation. This is for you. Find the permutation. This is the word. STU. Hada word. Student. Talib. Student. Find the permutation of this. Okay. Solve this. Find the permutation of this. Student. Solve. Solve now and tell me. Hal hada. If this is the word student, then find the permutation. Solve this. Abdul Wahid. Hal hada then and tell me what is the solution. 2520. Sami. Solve this. Hal and write here your answer. Tell me. What is the answer? Ah, yes. 2520. Yes, you are right. Good. Who written 7? This is the answer 2520. Only T repeated here. Only Hina T repeated 2 times. What is permutation here? T Kullo 7. And only this T repeated. T repeated. Come times? 2 times. Itnain marra. So this will be factorial 7 factorial and ala itnain factorial. This equal to what? 7, curve 6, curve 5, curve 4, curve 3 and curve 2. Stop here 2, so Sirina factorial 2. and تحت موجود factorial 2 هذا كنسل and هذا كله ضرب 7 ضرب 6 ضرب 5 ضرب 4 ضرب 3 هذا كم يجي 25 20 yes 25 20 this one this is answer 25 20 Muhammad Nasir Mustafa Muhammad bin Abdul Rahman yes okay so today I will stop here right today I will stop here